How to fix YouTube videos freezing or buffering on the mobile app. This tutorial shows you how to stop constant pauses and loading issues while watching. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, tap on Apps. From there, tap on YouTube from the list. At this point, tap on Storage. In the next step, tap on Clear Cache. Following this, this removes temporary files that may be causing playback issues without affecting your account or saved videos. Once done, open the YouTube app again and try playing a video to check if buffering continues. From here, if it's still freezing, go back to Settings, then tap on Connections. At this stage, check if you're on Wi-Fi with a weak signal and try switching to mobile data or a stronger network instead. Keep in mind, lowering the video quality manually from within the YouTube player can also help reduce buffering on slower connections. After this, tap on the video's quality settings inside the player and select a lower resolution like 480p. Finally, if the issue persists, go to the Play Store, search YouTube, and check for a pending app update. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix YouTube videos freezing or buffering on the mobile app, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.